In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try the Hostinger website builder for free. This is a great way to build your online presence without any initial investment. So let's dive right in and explore how you can take advantage of this opportunity. First, you need to head over to Hostinger Horizon. Open up your web browser and simply type in Hostinger Horizon in your search bar. This should lead you to the official site where you can begin your journey to create your very own website. It's a user-friendly platform designed for ease of access, so don't worry if you're a beginner. The website is structured to guide you through the process smoothly. Once you're on the Hostinger Horizon page, you'll see a prompt asking you to type in the name or topic of the website you plan to build. This step helps personalize your website creation experience by setting the initial framework. Enter the topic that best represents the website you have in mind. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage. You'll have plenty of opportunities to adjust and refine your ideas as you go along. After entering your website topic, you'll want to click on the button that says Start Free. Clicking this will kick off the website builder's process, allowing you to try out the platform without any cost. It's an excellent opportunity to explore various tools and features that Hostinger offers without any financial commitment. Now, if you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. If you already have a Hostinger account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, there's a convenient option to continue using Google, which makes signing in quick and hassle-free. Using your Google account streamlines the process, saving you from having to remember yet another set of credentials. With your account set up and ready to go, the system does the heavy lifting for you. Here, it's important to be patient as the website builder works its magic. You'll see the progress of your website being built in real time. It might take a few moments, but soon enough, you'll have a basic version of your website ready for further customization. And that's it! You've successfully gone through the process of trying the Hostinger website builder for free. From here, you can explore different templates, experiment with various design elements, and start filling in your site with the content that brings your vision to life. As you continue to explore and build, remember that this platform was designed with both novices and experienced creators in mind, offering a range of features to enhance and support your creative journey. So take your time, enjoy the experience, and happy creating.